Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am present before you with true false. This is our new topic in our revision class. So let's go to board to check what will be our today's topic for the students of class 2. So look here, our subject is social science and our today's topic is true false and it is from revision segment. This is our first class on revision on true false of social science subject. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 14 and SW number 12 on our annual term syllabus. I repeat, this is our lecture number 14 and SW number 12 on our annual term syllabus. Dear learners of class 2, in our regular classes, we have learned 1 to 20 true false. And in the first revision class, inshallah, we will learn 1 to 12. So in these connections, I request you to give your attention. Let's go to board. So look here, it is social science title, then identify true and false from the following sentences or from the following statements. So look here, we will identify here I have given you 1 to 12 true false. Number 1, flood comes in rainy season. Dear learners, look here, flood comes in the rainy season. That means the statement is true. We know that flood comes in our country in rainy season. True. You will write properly. When you will do your SW, you will write the full sentence. Then at the right side of your sentence, you will write true or false. So look what I have written here. I have written flood comes in rainy season. That means the statement is true. Dear learners, in these connections, I want to make the class interesting and want to show you a picture. So look at the picture. So look, the picture is about a flood. It looks clear. So look at the picture of flood and it comes in the rainy season. Now questions number 2. The cyclone air moves very slowly. Look at the word slowly. We all know the cyclone air moves very fast or quickly. That means the statement is false or the sentence is false. We will write here false. So in this connection, I want to show you a picture. So look at the picture of a cyclone. Look, since the air moves very fast and it destroys. So look at the picture of a destruction of cyclone. Okay. It looks clear also. Now questions number 3. Earthquakes destroy many roads and houses. Look at the question number 3. Earthquakes destroy many roads and houses. That means the sentence is true. So dear learners, look at the picture number 3 of earthquake. Look here. So look, it is seen from a far distance and it is very clear to look at. It is a picture of an earthquake and in the picture we see buildings. Look here, buildings and roads have been destroyed. So look here, buildings and roads have been destroyed for earthquake. And we all know, dear learners, one important thing, we all know earthquake means the sudden movement of the earth. I repeat, earthquake means the sudden movement of the earth. And for the sudden movement of the earth, the buildings, road, etc. have been destroyed or destroyed. Now question number 4. So look here, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Yes, we all know that Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. That means the sentence is true. Number 5, we should cross the road at the zebra crosses. So look here, we should cross the road at the zebra crosses. In this connection, I want to show you a picture. So look here, look at the board properly, look at the picture of a zebra crossing, and it is a safe zone to cross the road. Look, in the picture we see a boy is crossing the road on the zebra crossing. That means 5 number, we should cross the road at the zebra crosses. The statement is true or the sentence is true. Number 6, we should not obey school rules. So look at the word should not. That means the sentence is false. We must or we should obey the school rules. Number 7, we should respect our teacher. So look, we should respect our teacher. Yes, we always should respect our teacher. The statement is true. Dear learners, again I want to show you a picture. So look at the picture. So look, it is seen teacher is leaving the room or the classroom and students stand up. So look, while teacher will leave your classroom, you must stand up. Okay, this is a symbol of respect. So look, teacher is leaving the room and all the students have stood up. Now question number 8, we have a population of about 15 crores. From our book we have learned that we have a population of about more than 16 crore. That means the sentence is false. It is written 15 crore, but from our book we have learned it is more than 16 crore. Number 9, we live in families. Yes, the sentence is true. We all live in families. Number 10, population is the main national problem of Bangladesh. Yes, population is the main national problem of Bangladesh. The statement is true. Number 11, look here, the farmers cultivate lands. So look, the farmers cultivate land and they grow different types of crops. That means the statement is true. And last, true false, policemen arrest thieves and robbers. So look here, policemen arrest thieves and robbers. The statement is true. So with 12 number, we have learned 1 to 12 true false. Dear learners, I am telling again 1 to 12 number again and quickly also. So look here, number 1, flood comes in the rainy season, true. Number 2, the cyclone's ear moves very slowly, false. 3, earthquakes destroy many roads and houses, true. D or 4 number, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh, true. 5th number, we should cross the road at the zebra crosses, true. 6, we should not obey school rules, false. 7 number, we should respect our teacher, true. 8 number, we have a population of about 15 crores. The statement is false. Number 9, we live in families, true. Number 10, population is the main national problem of Bangladesh, true. 11 number, the farmers cultivate land, true. 12 number, policemen arrest thieves and robbers, true. Dear learners, I request to look at the end of our book. It is written homework, HW, homework 12. So look here, this is our 12th number homework and your homework is true false 1 to 5. So look, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 will be your homework. One important thing, when you submit your SW, I see that many of you only write true or false. No, this is not the proper way to submit or to do your SW. In the SW session, you will pick up the full sentences of the true false. Okay, you will write the sentence 1 to 5, then right side. So look here, at the right side I have written true and false. If the sentence or if the statement is true, you will write the word true after picking up the full sentence. Then if the statement is false, you will write the false. Dear learners, I think all of you, all of the students of class 2 have understood this important and revision class. Do your HW in your HW copy. Finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.